shower.
That's true.
For swimming, you can.
You know, I'm not a fan of sun-dried tomato, but
Get the cheese roll.
I got that on video. That was way too funny. No, you're about to reach him.
He's got 4.
That was a close one. Dinner time.
There's a lot of trees in dry, like.
Yeah, I'm looking at the trees. This is kind of crazy. I don't know if... Well, now I'm blocked off, but the island might be on fire.
Right?
Yeah. This is the most miserable part of going anywhere in Praiano. You can't even see, but it's like 2,000 steps.